Hello, this is Blake again from Precision Tech Home Services. Today we just want to talk about training and how technicians are trained out in the field, in our in-house classrooms, and also we send them out to our manufacturers. This unit specifically here is a Rheem manufactured unit. Rheem is one of the top providers of heating and air conditioning products in America. We do probably about 80% of our installs are Rheem products. This unit here, as you can tell, is not hooked to anything. This is one of our training aids to help our technicians learn how to repair and install properly. So with these training aids, the technicians have the ability to, for better lack of words, fumble around until they figure things out with our training inside of our shop instead of in someone's home. The last thing you want is guys coming out to the house and not really having a full understanding of how these systems work. So this is just one of the systems that we use. This is a Rheem 96% efficient furnace, one of the best models out there. And it's a great training aid for the young guys that are learning how to do what we do for a living. As well as the Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostats. These are just some of the new products we're using and teaching the guys how to use before we really implement them out in the field, because they need to have the knowledge here before they bring it to you.